So, this day from Iron Blackbird Cycles. This is a damper that works in most wide glides. Rubber shock absorber that goes under the handlebars. They're normally that big. We're using a 2022 front end. So as you can see, this one's a little bit smaller on both sides. Also, this is a little bit smaller, the piece that goes inside these that the bolt runs through. So keep that in mind if you're working on probably a 2020 or later. Maybe earlier than that, but I doubt it. So these dampers go in the holes. What I'm gonna do is put the bushing in the top damper. I'm gonna drop that into the hole and then try to get this in. Try to get the bushing started in it. Of course, it's going to be a little bit tough, but take a dead blow. Just kind of tap that in. And the bottom's pretty close, and we can do the rest with a bolt. When we bolt the riser in. Kind of went easy, almost too easy. Makes me wonder. And we've got these. We're gonna go on top of those rubbers. Yeah, that damper's not wanting to cooperate much. So get that to stay there. And I got two for the bottom. And we will slide those on the bolt as we get the riser in. Let me grab those. Nice new set of risers here. Almost all these riser bolts are usually 3/4 inch. I'm going to tighten these all the way up till we get the bars in them. I'm just pulling all the dampers in around the bushings. These riser tops screw off. Let's see if I can drop these nice pieces of chrome. And then here are two Allen heads. I'm gonna pull these now. Riser tops, and we're going to check for fitment on the bars. Looks like we're gonna be okay. I was worried about these not fitting in between these risers, but it looks like we're gonna be okay. Just enough to hold that bar in place. Yeah, I got all my tables taken up with mechanic stuff right now, so the shovel's up on this roll around where we can get it out and work on it when we want to. And of course, as soon as you start filming, somebody's got to mow. I'm gonna go shut this door. So all we're doing is snugging these bolts, keep these bars in place. We're gonna be putting front wheel on this for too long. I wanted to make front wheel brake, a lot of that other stuff. So I wanted to make sure we had a way to control this when we get it down off this. It's just temporary till I get one of my tables clear. And the best way to get these risers straight before you tighten them down is put a set of bars in them, and that's got them straight. Now when I tighten these down, they'll be in the right spot that way. And if you're worried that if you don't have the bars that's going on it right now and you're putting risers on it, go ahead and put them on. And just take anything and stick through there. Another old set of bars or anything just to keep that in place. And I'm not going to torque on this thing because I'll roll this thing off in the floor. So we're just going to get them snug, get all the bushings pushed to where they need to be, and finish tightening it when we get it on the ground. So temporarily on the shovel, we're just going to get this air cleaner back on, and that way we don't have to worry about anything getting down the carburetor. Dirt, stray bolt, you know, stuff like that. So we're just putting this on temporarily. Well, that's a big air cleaner for that bike. I think we're going to wind up putting a velocity stack on this anyway, but for now the air cleaner can sit on it. That way we don't have to worry about anything getting down the throat of that. Because I have found nuts and washers and screws on the top of pistons in motorcycles.